today's project is going to be very simple. We're also going to work in App Lab today. In today's project, we're going to make the screen change color when we press our button. Let's go to Design part and pick a button. It's important to change the ID, so let's change its ID. It's best for a button's ID to be BTN underscore and something else. Like this one, I'll make button blue because when we press this one, so what's the problem with this ID? Okay, so when I press this button, the screen turns blue. So over here, we're gonna choose a color for that button. What if I make its color 669 3F and then 5. Let's use this color for that button. Let's name this button, let's put a text on it. What about blue? That'll work just fine. I'll even check the font family to impact. I like it. Just got a fan of that kind of writing since I used it first. That was just with you, I think, in our last video. Now let's skip the button ID. BTN underscore. This time it'll be pink. That's my favorite color. The text written will be also pink, and the button's color will be also pink. I know, too much pink. We will be writing FE 7F again, and then 9C. There's our color. We're gonna use that. And writing font, yeah, we're also gonna change that. Where do we, oh, right there. As always, impact, just love it. Let's drag the button a little lower. Oh no. Let's drag it a little lower. A little higher. There. And now let's add another button. And this one will be called BTN underscore. What about purple? Okay, if you don't like these colors, so don't worry, we're gonna have more. Like green, yellow, and a secret one. The text on this one will be written purple. And the color will be also different. Let's give it a purplish shade on our own. What if we give it C5 4 B8 and then C. Okay, this is a kind of purplish shade. Well, I checked it out from internet. Oh yeah, and now let's change the font family. Also, my favorite one, impact. Let's drag another button. I know the purple looks a little pink, but I'll go with it. Let's give it a new ID, like BTN underscore green. Let's give it green. It's green, not green. And now let's change the color. It's best to have it 6-digit. Okay, we give it a no. Oh no. Oh wow, it isn't even working. Let's give it a, oh come on. Let's see what I can do. Seriously. There. Now, don't press shift while pressing a button. That was my mistake. So, 5, 0, C. Remember to make it capital, okay? Because if it's not capital, so it's not gonna work. We need capital letters only. There. And now the font family. Why is it all Arial black? There we go. And drag just 2 more. First, let's work on this one, and then we'll go on to the next one. This one will be called button yellow. BTN underscore yellow. I think some of you like yellow. Oops, it was a minus, not an underscore. There. Now text will be yellow. Here. Oh boy, remember to have it capital. It's best. And now let's change the color. I know this one is a little yellow, but I'll call it something like orange. This one will be F, D, E, and then F, B, and 2. That's a shade of yellow. Pretty light. Let's use the font family again, impact. And then here's our last button, which will be a kind of blue. I think the shade is going to be a kind of blue. So I'm not confirmed, so we'll name it BTN underscore mystery. And then text will be mystery as well. Because this one is going to be very easy to search down in the RGB. Okay, remember, we'll need hashtag as well. It's 4 times 6 and then 2 times 9. Wow, such a pretty color. And then the font, impact. Do you think we should change the background color? If you ask me, if you want it, so sure, but I'd prefer not. Now, this code is gonna be very simple, like, trust me. So simple that I'm sure some of you will make it in such a quick time. Set property screen 1, background color, to choose this, and then enter the color. Like for blue, I had 669, 669, 3, F5. This was the shade I had for blue. And then we do it again. But this time, we choose the next shade. Well, my next one was pink. And then a set property. It was somewhere here, wasn't it? Right there. And then let's change the ID to screen 1. And with background color, again the lowest one. Then choose a color. Like for pink, I had FE, no, it was E, FE7, F9, and C. FE7, F9, C. FE7, F9, C. Yes. Now let's go to our next one. I know, so simple but long. Still simple. Purple. And then let's look for the set property right there. Bling and screen 1. Background color 2. Write it on. I know it may be a little hard, but come on, it's still worth it. That's what I think. If you think that, so it's okay. If you don't, so just cool, fine. Okay, and this one we'll be using C54, B8, and 2. Now another one. After that, we'll have button green. Set property to screen 1, and we background color, and then this one. And let's write down our color. Remember, subtract the one that's already there, like remove it. It's green, isn't it? So this one will be 50, and then C, 50C, 878. Now just 2 more left. And then our code will be ready and we'll see if it functions properly. Of course, I hope you're expecting what I'm expecting from this one. Okay, now set property right there. And now it's screen 1. Background, oh, come on. Background color, this one, and then write down your own color. Well, for yellow, it's gonna be F, D, E, F, B, and 2, the only number. 1 more left. Remember, never give up. If your code doesn't come out good, so try again, or you can even ask me for some help. This time it's been mystery. I know, so fun. It's okay to do it wrong because I've done it a lot of times too. For those of you who are new, it's okay. You can ask me for questions that you have or queries in the comments below. And then this one is very simple, 666699. Okay, now let's try to run our code once. Blue, pink, purple, green, yellow, and mystery. Wow, it looks great. See you next time. Bye.